Hurry up, Dragano, hurry up, we got a chance! I don't know, mate. Hold up the hold, up the hold, up the hold.
You want to stay a little bit back, just in case? I'll move more this way. You want to scoot more this way, bro? That buddy over here too. Ah, damn.
Hit it to the tree, hit it to the tree. More this way. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Hold it. Not the first. Catch it, Tati! Catch it, Tati! Catch it! Okay, hurry up, almost not ready. Run! Really, Dad? You're one of my fucking star players. You're gonna double play?
Oh, double!
Go! That's a hit, baby. Stay. Never. Get down, baby. Come on. Catch it! Nobody, what the fuck?
You told us this way!
Hit me!
You told me that way! Hey, and I'm right here too. That one was for me. Nah, never mind. I'm staying here. You.
You got it!
Told you.
The feathers just fucking pop out. Let's go. All day, baby! Wait. Come on, baby.
My bad.
Second my third, get it! Catch it! You better run! Two. Hey, no te pases.
I feel getting that hit.
Oh, actually good. Finally got a good hit.
Hey, good game, my boys. Good game, my man. Good game.